Well, as the rain comes down outside, you can probably hear it. I'm going to do a little review of something that I just really like. I know I did a belt review before, and it was a very nice belt. Very nice belt. But and it's so dark outside that my light on my camera kicked on. Don't think I've ever had that happen before. This is one of those ratchet belts, like a cable tie. You know, you put it on and ratchet it to whatever length you want it to be, and that's the buckle to it. I've got a different buckle. I'll show you the one I've got on right now. Just want to let you know, guys, if you have always thought you might like it, you think you'd like it, but just don't want to send off for it, let me tell you something. I love my little ratchet belts. Now, this company, there are some that are made in America and some that obviously are not. This is a company that I can't pronounce the name of, so it's definitely made in China. These were about 18, 20 bucks, something like that, and I think the American-made model is about twice that. A great mechanism. Here is your clicker to take the belt off. You just push that. It's usually on the bottom. The way I swing my belt is from right to left, and it's on the bottom. I just reach down and click it. Click that little lever right there, and it releases it. You can cut it off. You'll put it in here. Well, let me just try to show you without a tripod. Tripod's right in the barn. Let me just try to show you without a tripod how you put this in there, how you install it. Basically, you insert this end, the flat end. Maybe I can do this one hand. Flat end into that, and then you push down on this, and you can see those little spikes dig into the leather. Okay, actually, I just did it from this side. Just took two thumbs to push down on there and make it dig in there. So you got a belt. But if you think it does need to be cut off, then all you do before you do this end, you pull that out, just cut that off, stick it in here, clamp it down like we just did. And that's how you shorten the belt. You don't shorten the rounded end. That's a fixed end, that's a tooled end. You don't want to shorten that, but you do shorten this end. And just make it shorter here, makes it a shorter belt all the way around. Okay, so here it is on. And again, you just put it through here. Starts clicking after it starts to exit. Click through, snug it up, push the button, leave it loose, snug it up. If you're going for a meal, you may want to back off on it a little bit, but you can pull it dang tight or back it off a little bit until it's comfortable for you, snug. Anyway, I have been wearing one for 2 or 3 months now, a black one, and I just really like it. I'm wearing it pretty much exclusively unless I'm out on the farm and I might want to wear something else. They got some pretty nice looking buckles. They're fairly heavy. Let me show you the black one. This is the black one. A little stripe down the middle. You can see I've kind of scratched it up because I do wear it all the time. This is my favorite belt. The other belt is that I did a video on before, and I'll put a video link up to it about right now. But it's a better belt, better quality, and all that. But this is just convenient. I mean, I just really like it. Got a little alligator look to it. Probably got 20 different buckles, 2 or 3 different colors of belts matched up with the buckles. So just take a look at it if you're interested. But I'm just talking about the ratchet form of it. You may want to buy American. I'll put a link to that because they do have some nice belts. And it's probably a better belt, and I'll probably buy one too. But this. I'm just trying to sell you on the idea of a ratchet belt. I really think you'll like it. You know, you sat at home and said, man, do I really want one of these? You watched it on Shark Tank maybe or something. Do I really want one of these? Man, I like it. The ease of getting in and out. the ease of loosening. You know, the fact that sometimes you're in between a loop, you know, the loop is right here on the belt and the loop right here on the belt, and you're right in the middle, and you either have to go too tight or too loose. That's all. This is 1/4 inch increments, if I remember right. And I don't know, I like it. Sorry I had to use the light, but I've got every light in here turned on. It's still dark in here because it is getting stormy outside. Anyway, just said that to say this. If you ever thought you wanted a ratchet belt, here's a cheaper alternative if you want to just get in and see what if you really like it. And then you may want to upgrade and get you one that's American made, and it's about twice the price. This is about 20 bucks, 18, 20 bucks, something like that. I'll put a link to this below. You can, there's a lot of choices you can make, again, about buckles and colors. And then I will put below that an American-made product that is probably a much nicer product. But again, that buckle's pretty heavy. It's pretty substantial. So anyway, you may want to try it. Once it gets in there, this pushes down, and then all you gotta do is push up on it, and you're done. You're out. You're out of the belt. I like it. You may want to try it. And I think I've talked too much about belts. All right, we're going.